How's it going, guys? Greg here with Inozetek, and today we're visiting LTMW. For those of you who don't know, LTMW is the premier destination for all of your wide body needs. Whether it's Liberty Walk, RWB, Rocket Bunny, you name it, they have done it. And that's why when I recently heard that Nakai-san in Japan was working on an RWB kit for a 997, it kind of greenlit my thought process of picking one of these things up. I'd always wanted one, but this just kind of greenlit the whole idea. So we're gonna be building this vehicle for our SEMA booth in about 2 months, alongside a lot of crazy builds, which I gotta keep tight-lipped about. We also have a host of new colors which are gonna be coming out, one of which will be on this vehicle. But without further ado, let me take you guys in for a closer look at what comes in a box from RWB. We're gonna start pulling out some of these panels and start laying them out. So as you can see, we got most of the kit laid out. I'm dirty, pulled everything out of the box, but I want to take you guys in, show you a closer look. We got the front set of over fenders here. We've got the side skirts. We've got this rear panel for the engine, the deck lid. We've got this awesome GT wing, which I'd love to show you guys. It's gonna sit up here like so. Will look pretty damn nice. We've also got this rear bumper with kind of GT3 style inlets there. Let's go ahead and test fit a front really quick just for kicks. Let's line her up. Look at that, beautiful. I'm very excited, honestly. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I want to knock this thing out and wish it was SEMA already, but gotta be patient. Patience is a virtue. But yeah, this is what comes inside of a box straight from Nakai over at RWB. Let's get to it.